Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to allow from unknown sources on Firestick. First thing first, from your Firestick home screen, scroll to the top menu and click on Settings, which is the gear icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select My Fire TV. Now click About only if you don't see the developer options. If the developer options is missing, select About instead. Now highlight your Fire TV Stick option and quickly click it 7 times in a row on your remote. A message will appear at the bottom of the screen saying, "No need, you are already a developer." Now you need to press the back button once and you should now see developer options in the list. 2. Use the developer options to download from unknown sources. Just enable apps from unknown sources, which allows you to sideload apps not from the Amazon store, and turn on ADB debugging, which lets you connect Firestick to your PC for advanced control. If you want to install apps from unknown sources, just download the APK file, then launch it, and it will ask you if you want to turn on the apps from unknown sources. Just go turn it on and then your app will be installed. And that's it guys. This trick works on Firestick 4K, Firestick Lite, Firestick TV Cube and the newer Fire TV models. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.